Um, I'm not gonna. Yeah, what's your Twitch, man?
It's John Martino's art.
Wait, sorry, what?
I'll type it in.
I'll hit you up with a follow, man.
You probably see my TikTok videos.
I'll check him out on TikTok, man.
John Martino's art. Okay.
Let's see.
What a cute guy. No, not in a gay way.
He's got 16k.
That's alright,
Oh, he does it on Omegle all the time. He draws people on Omegle. Oh my god, he's drawing you, Cody. Holy hell.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's so cool. That's sick.
Oh, that's epic. That's actually awesome.
That's epic. I'm gonna follow this guy.
That's epic. I'm awesome.
Cody, tell him you love him. Not epic.
No, just be like, this is so cool, man. Oh my god, this guy is so nice.
Give him praise.
It's
This is
rare that
actually
you-
really cool.
He's not even reacting.
Cody.
I think he could sometimes.
Hey.
Yeah, I think you can hear us.
I got much respect for you, man. You know?
Thanks, man.
Yeah, man.
No.
No, stop there. Oh my god, this is so cool. Actually, like, really good art.
I kind of feel like I'm involved. I'm not.
Sorry, because he doesn't know any of these other.
Oh, that's so cool.
He drawn Cody yet?
He's drawn it. He's been drawn his, like, gaming chair and everything.
Is he like,
The artwork is
ooh,
not
I
like
feel
people.
Quinn. I thought you went away. Oh, I hate you actually so much. That's really.
There you go, man.
Thanks, man. That's sick. Much respect. Make sure to check up on your channel and everything.
Cool, man.
Catch you a bit, man.
Tell your. Hi.
Hello. What are you doing?
I'm drawing people.
Whoa. Where are you from?
I'm from California. Where are you from?
I am from Germany.
Oh, okay. Awesome. You have very good English.
I actually can't hear you as well.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Are you drawing on an iPad or what's...
No, it's a PC.
Oh, that's actually really cool. I've never seen that before, but okay.
You have long hair.
Yes. That's so cute.
Alright, there you go. There you go.
Thank you very much. That's really kind of you.
No problem. Hey, so I put these on my my YouTube channel. Is it okay if I use this?
Of course, why not?
Awesome. You want my YouTube?
What's
You
the-
can check it out. That's that.
Yeah, what's the name of your channel?
I'll type it in.
Alright. Okay, then I'm actually gonna follow you.
Thank you.
And yeah, it was nice meeting you. You're very talented, and yeah, see you soon.
Have a great day.
You too, bye.
Bye.
Alright, let's see how she starts. I've been spinning out of control, but these skeletons call my closet home. They say nothing's set down in stone. Just wait until they see my whiskey-driven soul. It's the story about my 8-ball train. I've been all aboard since the age of 13. Yes, I've tried to find that man in that mirror, but the one who stares back just ain't got my picture. I'm trapped inside my own head. Will I ever make it out again? I'm sorry, Mama, for my life of sin, but I've got a date with the devil again. Yeah, I've got a date with the devil again.
Dude, that shit was awesome.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate it.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
I unfortunately do not.
What? It'd be cool if I feature that on my YouTube channel.
Hey, go ahead, man. I don't mind at all. It kind of drew the fun out of it for me. I don't really know. I find fun in just doing it as a hobby instead of trying to show people religiously. I don't know.
Bro, like your shit is that your song is good.
Thank you. I appreciate it. used to have like a small Instagram handle that I'd post on. You know, everybody liked it, but I just don't want it to turn into a job. It's something I enjoy. It's like it's an outing thing for
Yeah,
me.
man, I get it. You're probably gonna get a lot of people wanting to find your music once I post
Yeah.
this, but
Uh,
it'll
I
be
mean, like I said, I might make something in the future. Just for right now, I kind of just, yeah.
there you
Cool,
go.
man. Thank you. I love it.
You take it easy. Keep it up.
You too, brother. Catch you around.
Later.
What's up, everybody? I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Omegle videos in the future. If you want to follow me on my social media, you can check out the links below. Come hang out with me on Twitch. I'm streaming most nights throughout the week, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.